In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up rendering in After Effects. Performance tips. We're going to focus on two simple tweaks inside After Effects that can dramatically improve render times, turning on multi-frame rendering and giving After Effects more memory to work with. These adjustments live in the same place, so once you know where to look, it's quick and easy. Start by opening After Effects and going to Edit, Preferences, then Memory and Performance. This is the control center for how After Effects uses your system resources. Look for the option labeled Enable Multi-Frame Rendering and make sure it's checked. Multi-frame rendering allows After Effects to render multiple frames at the same time by using more of your CPU cores in parallel. In practice, that means your previews and final exports can complete faster, especially on machines with several cores and plenty of memory. If you often work with complex compositions or high-resolution assets, this feature helps After Effects make better use of your hardware, so you spend less time waiting and more time creating. While you're still in memory and performance, let's give After Effects a larger slice of your RAM. Find the setting for RAM reserved for other applications. Lowering this number frees up more memory for After Effects, which reduces the need to swap data to disk and helps keep renders smooth and consistent. The right balance depends on how much total RAM your system has and what else you typically run in the background. As a general guideline, leave enough memory so your operating system and essential apps remain responsive, and let After Effects have the rest. For example, on a system with a larger pool of RAM, you can comfortably reserve a modest portion for other apps and dedicate the majority to After Effects. If you notice the system getting sluggish, increase the reserved amount slightly. If renders still feel constrained, try reducing it a bit more to favor After Effects. Once you've enabled multi-frame rendering and adjusted the RAM reserved for other applications, confirm the changes and return to your project. These two settings work hand in hand. Multi-frame rendering benefits from having more memory available, and allocating more RAM helps sustain parallel processing without frequent slowdowns. That's it. With just these adjustments, you should see faster previews and shorter export times. If you found this helpful, apply these changes to your default setup so every new project benefits right away. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the performance boost.